Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am going to be simply teaching you how you can go ahead and sign into your Rockstar Social Club in GTA 5 on your PC. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, once you have installed your GTA 5 on your PC, all you're gonna do is on your search bar, you're simply gonna search for Rockstar Games launcher. You're gonna automatically have this once you go ahead and install GTA 5 on your PC. Finally, once you go ahead and open that, it's gonna take you to this page right over here where you wanna simply go ahead and log in into your social club right here. Enter your email and then go ahead and enter your password down here. And once you have done that, simply click on sign in. Finally, once you have done that, as you can see, you have successfully signed in into your Rockstar Social Club in your GTA 5. So finally, once you go ahead and launch your GTA 5, it's gonna go ahead and start with the account you just logged in with. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know. If you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.